Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Clark. I'm the founder and CEO of Clark College Consulting and Clark College Funding, the superhero of college planning, the author of 2 wonderful college planning books, and I've helped over 1,000 families with selecting, applying, and financing college. And today I want to help you as well, because if you're still looking for a college, or if you're late sending out applications, or maybe you applied or you took your SAT and ACT back in December, you just got the results back and they just weren't exactly what you expected, and you got to go back and readjust your college search, it's okay. You still have time, so don't worry. There are many colleges that you could apply to in January, even all the way through March in some cases. But let me give you some tips to help you. So the first tip, if you're looking for some more colleges to apply to, look for colleges with rolling admissions. So what is rolling admissions? Well, essentially rolling admissions means that the college will look at your application as soon as you submit it. And the college will let you know ASAP if you've been accepted or not. So having colleges with rolling admissions gives you a quick turnaround. So if there's a deadline that's coming up pretty quick, you can still make it. You can still get your decision back pretty quickly. Number 2, you want to check with regular decision deadlines, obviously, that are in January, February. I know of a few colleges all the way through August of this year, so you got time. The only downside of that is the longer you wait, the less chance you get of getting a great financial aid package, scholarship, merit aid, things like that. But don't let that deter you. Apply to those schools. Next, you want to check nearby public universities. Why is that? Because nearby public universities have an area that they call local attendance areas. And basically it means in those areas, students that live in those areas have a greater chance of getting in. And sometimes the universities will have extended deadlines for those students. So that's a huge advantage. And last but not least, you might want to consider applying to some religious affiliated colleges. Some religious affiliated colleges and universities will have extended application deadlines as well. So next thing you need to do is take action. Extremely important. Why? Because time is of the essence. And so you want to do some research really quickly. And so what you're trying to do is you're trying to look at the college profile, and you wanted to determine what is the college application deadline, right? And you want to search colleges in the above categories we just talked about. Schools with rolling admissions, check with regular decision dates, nearby public universities, and religious affiliated colleges. Using that will help you narrow down your search, and hopefully you can find a few colleges where the deadline dates have not passed, and you can add it to your college list and send out those applications. Thank you so much, guys, for sharing my videos. I do appreciate it. I'm getting a lot of great feedback from you, and I want you to continue to share these videos, because there are a lot of young men and women out there that really need some good advice and some good help. So please help me help them. And remember these 3 things. Be a friend, be a leader, be of service. All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.